guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I wanted to post a video separately just for those digital boosters that we got for next week, or technically the current week. So I did post on my Instagram and on my YouTube community tab when those boosters became available, letting you guys know to clip them. We have some amazing deals going on, some freebies, and of course some money makers. There are some different rebate apps we're going to be using as well: Ibotta, Saving Star, and Swagbucks for sure. Of course, you always want to be submitting your receipts to fetch rewards. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do have a giveaway going on for some of my new merchandise that I launched. Posted that in my CVS haul video that I posted earlier today. So if you haven't checked that out yet, make sure you head over there. I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. I have a couple scenarios for each. Of course, you guys can mix and match, and some tips on how to use the boosters successfully. So these are the 3 digital boosters that I clipped. There was another one, a 3 off of 12 or 3 off of 15. I have it listed in here. That one I did not clip because I knew I wasn't going to use it. So these are the boosters. If you're clipping them on your cell phone, it will just say sneak peek. It will not tell you when they are valid. So when we clipped them last week, I know a lot of you guys asked me when they were valid. Anytime it says sneak peek, that means it's going to be for the following week. And if you check it from a computer, you will see the valid dates that you're able to use those digital boosters. Where do you find these? So if you go to your coupon folder, look at the top, there's a bunch of different categories. Go under household, scroll through, and you want to make sure you clip them if you haven't already. They will disappear. I know a lot of you were saying that they already did disappear. So anytime I post that, if you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, make sure you do. I always try to give you guys a heads up. So once you see that posted, definitely run to your Walgreens app or log in and post or clip all of these boosters. So the order they will come off, it would be the 5 off of 12, 3 off of 15, 5 off 15, and 5 off of 20. So that is typically the order they will come off. Yes, you can combine them with a spend booster. If you have like a spend 20, get 5,000 points, something like that, you can combine them. I do have a scenario at the end showing you how to do that. So the first scenario is $5 off of 12. So what I combined in this is the Shea Moisture, which is buy one, get one half off. So you would grab 2 of the curl creams. They are $3.29. Second one is $1.64. And 1 of the Gillette or Venus razors at $9.99. Total is going to come to $14.92. We don't have any IVC coupons or Walgreens store coupons, so we don't have to worry about that. When you're using these boosters, just like any digital booster, has to be $12 or more. If it's $11.99, it probably won't work and you don't want to risk it. So if you're right on the cusp, grab a Kit Kat or a Reese's bar. There's 75 cents this week. These are the coupons you want to make sure you have clipped to your card. There is a $2 off to Shea Moisture Digital as well. If you have that clipped, just go on your cell phone, go in the coupon folder, go to your clipped coupons. Wherever you see it, just click remove. Yes, it will disappear. You will not get it back, but that's okay because you're not going to be using it anyway. You want to use this 6 off of 2 digital coupon. There are also 3 different coupons for the Gillette and Venus. There's a $4, a $3, and a $2. So I can't stress it enough. Make sure you check your coupon folder. Only have the highest one clipped. If you have the 3 or the 2 clipped as well, the lesser value coupon is going to be the one to come off. And then of course we want to make sure we have this 5 off of 12 purchase-based coupon available and clipped on our card. So this is the final breakdown. You're going to pay nothing out of pocket, probably just taxes, because everything is going to zero out. You will not get overage on the Shea Moisture. It'll just zero out and you won't pay anything for that. And for the Gillette, you're not going to be paying anything either. You're then going to get back a $4 register reward for the Gillette deal. The deal for that this week is buy one, get a $4 register reward. Final cost is free and a $4 moneymaker. Always good to get some moneymakers, and we want to rack up on the register rewards so we can use them during the beauty event this week, which starts on Thursday and goes through Saturday. So it's always a 3-day event. Okay, the next digital booster, $3 off of $15. So what I put together would be getting some Colgate, which is buy 2, get a $4 register reward. You're going to pick up 3 of them because of the digital coupon that we have. 1 Cottonelle and 1 Viva. Starting to incorporate more of the paper product deals in my videos now. I went to CVS today and there were a bunch of different paper products. I was so excited to finally see those back. So I definitely want to share those deals with you so now we can start stocking up again on our paper products. These are the coupons you want to clip and have sent to your card. There is a $1 off 1 IVC coupon for the Cottonelle. It works on the Viva as well. So you want to make sure you either have it clipped to your card or you want to have that IVC coupon booklet with you so you can bring it up to the register. Then this 5 off of 3 Colgate Digital. And if you go on scottbrand.com, you can print this 55-cent off of 1 coupon. I didn't see any Viva coupons. If you do see where you can print a Viva coupon, definitely drop a comment below. Let us know for even more savings. And then, of course, you want to make sure you have that 3 off of 15 purchase-based booster loaded to your card. So your final breakdown, the total is going to be $18.95. After all of the coupons, you're going to pay $8.40 plus taxes. Get back a $4 register reward. Final cost is going to be just $4.40 for all 4 items. You want to make sure you scan your receipt to fetch rewards. We get some bonus points for scanning Cottonelle and the Viva products typically. So it's not a super bonus, but you'll still get a little bit more points than the typical 25, which is always great. Okay, the next booster, I wanted to focus on some food and beverage deals. There are a ton of rebates on this deal as well. So this is using the 5 off of 15 digital booster. What you can do is pick up one of the Gevalia coffees. They're on sale this week for just $4.99, which is already an amazing deal. One of the Triscuits for $2.99. 2 of the Kellogg's. I know the Special K is pictured. I'm assuming the Frosted Flakes are included, but just check. They're 2 for $5. And 3 cans of Pringles. They are on sale 3 for $4. Total is going to come to $16.98. For the coupons, there was only 1 coupon available, which is a $1 off of 3 for the Pringles, and it is a digital coupon. And of course, that 5 off of 15 digital booster is another coupon you're going to want to have for this scenario. So you're going to wind up paying $10.98. You can pay with points, you can pay with register rewards, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to submit to the following rebate apps. We have 75 cents back for Triscuits on Swag Bucks, so you'll get back 75 Swag Bucks. 75 cents from Saving Star or Checkout 51. It's usually an either or. Once you activate it on Saving Star, it goes away on Checkout 51 because those 2 apps are linked. And a $1 Ibotta rebate for Gevalia coffee. 75 cents back on Frosted Flakes and 75 cents back on Kellogg's. So right there, that's going to be 3 different Ibotta rebates that you can claim for. And I know a lot of us are heading towards those weekly bonuses. Final cost on this is going to be $6.98 for 7 items, or about $1 per item. So an amazing scenario for you guys, focusing on more of the food deals. There is that beauty event, so I tried not to incorporate any of the beauty deals in these because we have those deals that are going to be in another video for you just for the beauty event starting Thursday. Okay, the last one is the 5 off of 20 digital booster. After this, I will show you how to combine it with a spend booster. So for this one, I incorporated that Olay Old Spice. They are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I know a lot of you commented on my previous video for Walgreens, letting me know the 8 off of 4 digital is still valid this week, and some of you guys still have it. So I wanted to share this deal with you. Using that digital and the booster digital, you'll pay $11, get back a $4 register reward for doing the deal. You are buying 4 of them, but when you have register reward deals, only one register reward will print per transaction. So that's why we're only going to get a $4 register reward. Final cost is going to be $7 for all four, or $1.75 each. Definitely an amazing, amazing deal. If you still have any Ibotta rebates, I don't know if any more are still floating around for the body wash. Of course, you can submit it, and that would make it an even better deal. So now it's time for combining the spend booster with the purchase-based booster. So you can combine them. The trick is you'd have to spend at least $25. So the 5 off of 20 purchase booster is a Walgreens coupon. So it's going to act like an IVC coupon. And if you follow my channel and if you coupon at Walgreens, you know that when you have a spend booster, like spend 20, get 5,000 points, you have to spend $20 on the dot or more after IVC coupons. If you spend $19.99, it will not work. So grab a candy bar or something like that to put you over. So you have to be above $25. That way, both of them will work. You'll get the $5 off and you'll get the 5,000 points back. So the deal I put together is just an oral care deal. And then of course, threw in that Kit Kat to get us over that threshold. So we're going to buy 3 of the Colgate at $8.97 and 4 of the Crest or Oral-B products that are included in the deal. Buy 2, get 4,000 points back. The reason why we're getting the $3.99 products is because of the digital coupons that became available for this week. They do not work on the $2.99 toothpaste. So just keep that in mind. Scan the product that you are going to be getting on the Walgreens app to make sure you're getting the right one that coupon is going to apply for. Then you're going to get one of the Kit Kats. Total for everything is going to be $25.68. These are the coupons. So there's 2 different ways you can do the Crest and Oral-B deal. You can either get 3 Crest of the like toothpaste. There are the small Crest mouthwashes. There's also some of the Oral-B toothbrushes that are included. So the 7 off of 3 new Crest Digital that we have, again, doesn't work on the $2.99 products. Then you're also going to want to make sure you either have the $1 off of 1 Oral-B toothbrush if that's your 4th item, or the $1 off 1 Crest mouthwash if that's your 4th item. So just make sure you're double checking whatever items you're going to grab. Make sure your coupons are loaded to your card. We do have quite a few Crest Digital, so make sure you're clipping the right one. Read them before you do. There's a 5 off 2, 7 off 3, and like a $5.97 off 3, which is kind of odd. I've never seen one like that. But this one is using the 7 off 3. Then we have the 5 off of 3 Colgate and the 5 off of 20 digital booster. That is going to total $18 in coupons, which is amazing. So your final breakdown, again, that total is $25.68. Coupons are $18. You're going to be left to pay $7.68 plus taxes. You can use register rewards or pay that out of pocket. Do not use points. Then you're going to get back 8,000 points from doing the Crest deal because you did buy 4. So you'll get 4,000 points for every 2 that you buy. Then a $4 register reward from the Colgate and 5,000 points from that digital booster that you are combining. Your final cost on this is completely free and a $9.32 moneymaker, which is amazing. So this can definitely be a great scenario to do. Get back that $4 register reward and you can use that towards the beauty event. I will be posting that video probably Monday or Tuesday. I will be doing my Walgreens haul tomorrow. Let you guys know what deals I did. I have some register rewards expiring Monday and Tuesday. So I want to make sure I use those, get more register rewards back so I can use them during the beauty event. Let me know in the comments if you've gotten a beauty digital booster yet. I haven't seen one and I haven't seen anyone posting about it either. So let me know if you have those down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me and I will see you in the next video.